Hey everybody, it's Neon. I have a dog and she poops. So Heelay sent me a dog poop holder. So let's see what this is. Dog poop bag holder. It's not gonna hold the poop necessarily, but look at this. So it's like this here. So it's got the little carabiner clip, so it'll clip onto her leash. I have her leash right here. This one here's a waist leash, but you get the idea. You just clip it onto the leash, and then you have the bags will go inside this zipper section there. And there's a little hole right there. You see like the little hole area. And well, actually it'll be inside this, a little hole, and that's where you can pull the bags out from there. So you can have the bags in there, and you could even put your keys or something else in there. Also, if you have certain leash types, you can connect it up through this as well, that type there. Or you could even, if you have like one of those retractable leashes, which I do, you just clip it onto there and put that on. So you have lots of different ways to hold your poop bag. So this is gonna come in handy. We'll be using this on all of our walks because we need to carry poop bags. So this is a great one. So very cool, Heelay and Heelay, but cool, I like it. Thumbs up.